Uh-oh, I got something in the mail. What is it? It's the rice cooker, guys. I ordered a little rice cooker, 2 cups, because I feel like when I make rice, we normally tend to eat, you know, what's for like 4. It's my husband, myself, and 2 kids. So I don't need this huge 6-cup kind of rice cooker, and I have that. And I'm always, you know, thinking about getting something smaller to help with the appliances space in the kitchen. And I got this one, Dash. Cling. Isn't it pretty? Cling, 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 cling. You can get it in red, pink, white, or black. So I got it in black because the price was cheaper. And you know, I always look for affordable ways of buying stuff. So I really like the pink one, but I sacrificed, you know, the color just to pay a little bit less. So here is cover, little box. Rice, so nice. Hi! Oh my god, don't tell me it comes with, I'll see that later. I hope it comes with some recipes, because, you know, I'm cooking and I always need new recipes to try. Even though I've been cooking mostly everything that I have learned when I was little. Oh my god. Keep calm and carry on. Okay, so here's the rice cooker. Look how tiny this thing is. Cutie! Cutie pie, cutie pie. Comes with this little thing that comes, I don't know, it looks like the Starbucks stuff to hold your coffees. Look at this, how tiny. Bling. It looks pretty, doesn't it? So we remove this, the cardboard that comes in here. Oh, it has something here. I don't know what that is. Like gray little pieces of something. Like scratches or something. So now, put this in here. You see how tiny it is? It's just for 2 cups. It's good for one person or 2 people. Put it in here. Then for newest, well, I was a newest once and I didn't even know how to cook rice. Now I know, thanks to my Cuban mother-in-law who taught me how to do this. This is the measurement cup, so you can scoop, you know, whatever you want, like 1 cup or 2 cups of rice. Comes with measuring stuff. You drop it in here. Let's say you want to cook rice for like 4 people. You will do 2 cups. 1 cup is for 2 people. So let's say you want to cook for 4. You will do this twice, right? The 2 cups twice. Chun, chun. You wash the rice. I always tend to wash the rice because I don't like the way, you know, it has a lot of starch. So when you wash it with hot water, it releases a lot of white stuff. I don't know. And I was told that that makes you really fat. So just in case, I wash the rice, guys. So you put the rice, and then you fill this up again twice with water. So you put 2 cups of water and get a scoop with oil. You drop it in here, and then you bring another spoon with more oil and you drop it in here. 2 scoops of oil. Let's say that again. 2 scoops of oil. Is that how you pronounce it? Low. Okay. Then you put some salt. You can put like 1 scoop or 2. I will say, I don't know, maybe 1, 1.5. 2 is too much and 1 is too little, I think. And here you cover the rice cooker with the lid. You plug it in, cling, and you move this down, okay? Because you want this thing to cook. Once it's warm, the thing will turn off by itself. It will go up, and the light will remain on, the one that says warm, okay? And then at that point, you can remove the lid. Ta-da! You grab the little plastic spoon that comes with all the rice cookers. Usually they're white. This one is black because my little Dash is black. And you just stir the rice and serve it on a plate. Cling! So I'm gonna wash it with really hot water. Water removes the starch from the rice. We want to get to a point where it's like completely transparent. Now it's like transparent. Oh my god. And now we'll put it here inside our little Dash. There it is. It has a little bit of water. We need to add 2 cups of water. When I say 2 cups, I mean these little cups, okay? Not 2 regular cups, because like I said, 2 cups of regular cups is 250, and each one of these transparent little cups has 160. Okay, so 1 and 2. Now we need to add the equivalent of water in oil. So if you put 2 of water, you're gonna put 2 of oil. 1 and 2. And last but not least, we'll put salt. The same that you put in oil, you're gonna add in salt. I sometimes put a little bit less, but usually a recipe calls for, like if you have 1 cup of ice, you'll put 1 cup of water and 1 spoon of oil, 1 spoon of salt. So if you have 2, you'll do 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water, 2 spoons of oil, and 2 of salt. And you treat it that way. Okay, so little dash comes with this spoon to stir so we don't get rid of the good material that makes the rice not get stuck to the bottom. And now we just leave it here, and we gotta press this magic thing right here down, and it says cook. So in like, I'll say 8 to 10 minutes, it will go back by itself to where it started on top of this thing, and it's gonna switch the little light from cook to warm. Also, it changed from this cook to warm, and now we'll see how it came out. Here it is. Here you have it. It looks great. I just have to stir it, and maybe we can change it to a different pot to stir. But it looks really nice, and what I love about the dash is the size, that it doesn't take a lot of space on my cabinets. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.